This hotel chain has banned unmarried couples. All couples now need to show proof of relationship to check in. Oyo, one of India's top hotel booking platforms, announced a significant change in its policy on January 5, 2025. The new rule states that unmarried couples will not be allowed to check in at hotels in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. This sparked a meme fest on social media. Pawas Sharma, the region head for Oyo North India, had said the company aims to ensure safe and responsible hospitality practices while working with local communities and law enforcement. Oyo intends to respect personal freedoms but also maintain a peaceful environment for all guests. According to the updated guidelines, all married couples must provide valid proof of their relationship when checking in, even for online bookings. Unmarried couples may be denied a room, and hotel partners have the discretion to refuse bookings based on local social norms. Oyo explained that the policy was part of an effort to address feedback from the community and improve its image as a safe place for families, business people, students, religious travelers, and solo travelers. This policy change had come after civil society groups in Meerut repeatedly asked for stricter rules about unmarried couples staying at hotels. Similar petitions have been made in other cities, leading Oyo to test the new rule in Meerut. The company may expand the policy to other areas based on the response. Alongside the new policy, Oyo is implementing nationwide initiatives. These include hosting seminars with the police and hotel partners to promote safer hospitality, blacklisting hotels involved in immoral activities, and taking action against unauthorized businesses using Oyo's brand. Unmarried couples can try using other booking websites that don't have this rule. They can also look for hotels that don't follow such strict policies. Another option is to book private rentals or homestays where the rules might be more relaxed. Unmarried couples in India often face societal stigma, legal obstacles, and public scrutiny. Many encounter resistance from hotel staff, local authorities, and even communities when attempting to book rooms or access services. In some cases, relationships outside of marriage are seen as morally or culturally inappropriate, adding to the challenges they face. However, the Madras High Court in a 2019 observation clarified that an unmarried couple staying together in a hotel room is neither illegal nor a criminal offense, emphasizing that a live-in relationship between two adults cannot be deemed an offense.